The Titan A900 is a high-performance workstation optimized for deep learning and AI applications. Built around AMD's EPYC Genoa 9004 series, it features dual EPYC 9124 CPUs, providing a combined 64-core setup by default, with options for custom configurations reaching up to 256 cores. The system is housed in a robust Titan Chariot mid-tower case made of anodized aluminum and steel. Memory starts at 64 GB, DDR5 ECC RAM, with expansion capabilities up to a massive 6 TB, suitable for memory-intensive tasks. Storage includes a 1 TB NVMe SSD and a 4 TB HDD, expandable to meet additional storage needs. For graphics, the default configuration includes an NVIDIA Quadro T400 card, with options for more powerful GPUs. Efficient cooling is ensured by dual Silverstone CPU coolers and 5 high-performance fans. Connectivity options feature dual RJ45 10GB LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3. The Titan A900 starts at $8,000, but configurations with maxed-out components can cost up to $120,000. The Titan A900 is a powerful AI-driven system designed for high-performance computing and deep learning applications, widely regarded for its efficiency in handling complex artificial intelligence AI tasks. With advanced processing capabilities, the Titan A900 can process large datasets, train intricate machine learning models, and perform real-time data analytics, making it a prime choice for researchers and tech developers. It leverages cutting-edge GPUs and specialized hardware to accelerate AI computations, reducing the time needed to achieve results in fields such as computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics. This system supports AI innovation by enhancing model accuracy and enabling faster experimentation, contributing significantly to breakthroughs across industries.